Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to rotate the images or pictures on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rotate the image in your LibreOffice writer, I just going to show in this video. So it's simple, you can just easily rotate the images you just needed. First, I just going to insert an image here. So I just inserted an image here. So I just need to rotate this image. So you have the option to rotate here. If you can't find the option here, you have this option on the top, this option rotate, or right click on your image. You can find the option, lot of option here. Also you can find the rotate and flip option. Here you can find the rotate option, or you can just click on this icon simply. So after clicking the icon, you can find the option on all the corners. You have this option to rotate. You can fix any corner to rotate the image. So it's like a box. You can just rotate the image how the position you like what angle, 0 degree, 80 degree, or 57 degree, like that. You can just easily rotate it. This is how you just rotate the image on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.